We've got the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses. So these are with the neural band. The packaging is nice. Okay. It's got a nice silhouette and embossed engraving, and got the Meta Ray-Ban. Okay, let's see. Okay, what do we have here? So it says it's got an arrow mark, which means probably have to open it from here. So they are the charcoal black, and they have the shiny black standard. Oh, the neural band. The neural band is charcoal black, and the display glasses are shiny black. Okay, it's got a picture for what it should look like inside. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, push this. Oh, that's the metal neural band. Let's see what this looks like. That side. And yeah, this is how it opens up. Okay. And we've got the start with your glasses first instructions. Okay. And then you've got the neural band. This line faces you. Okay, interesting. So they give you that level of directions. And then I think they have this charging cable that's part of it. That's where you're going to charge the neural band. And now we push for the glasses. Okay, typical box. Oh, so you've got this that you need to Okay. And there you have it. But before we open this up, I'm going to set this aside and pull this back in. Let's see. In the box, you've got the reference guide. I don't know who's going to look into this, but the packaging is well thought of. And I think these are the charging cables that come along with it. Again, kind of move this aside and try to open this up. Yeah, that's what it is. And your cleaning cloth, given that. I'm going to open this up. The big reveal. Da, 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 da. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. Do you want to break it? Oh, okay, yeah, got it out. So making my Meta glasses unboxing with my existing Meta glasses. Okay, there. This is a bit loose. Not a good. Oh wait. Maybe they need to be tightened up a bit. And I figured out what T3 goes in there. I think it's a T3 that you can use to tighten it up. All right.